century old treasures right here in the middle of nowhere.
One piece. There is no division, no crack, no joint, nothing. One piece carved and made through.
I'm sitting here, no? Or where am I sitting here?
This is not North India, this is South India architecture.
Oh my god, these gorgeous horses. Ooh. We're having chai in the morning. I'm still waiting for my morning chai. You will have seen Sahiba in my vlogs from Ladakh. Are we going to sit on that tractor? What song we listen while tractor? Aisa Dese Mera, no? That's a tractor wala song, no? I feel like I'm looking at some, like a painting, you know? So beautiful. Look at that also, yeah. That darwaza. The morning walk. साहिबा जी कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये मॉर्निंग वॉक लेके सुंदर जगह में?
वेदर इज सो गुड एंड सारे नज़ारे इतने अच्छे आसपास,
सारे सैन नज़ारे हैं, खोए खोए वक्त गुजारे हैं. Literally multitasking, trying to upload footage for the daily vlog with my 4G, watching Anam's vlog, Anam watching your Colombo vlog, having chai with Sahiba, like what, the 50th cup of tea for the morning.
Okay, how absolutely cute is this Roma?
Anam, if you're watching this, we are watching your vlog at Pendi. I'm so happy that you went.
That says, please take off your shoes, which is just perfect for our house.
Now time to get into this tractor. By the way guys, this is the first time I'm ever going on a tractor in my life, okay? So I'm having all sorts of like Bollywood images.
Come from this side.
It's time to climb onto the tractor. I'm sitting here, no? Or where am I sitting here? So we are just back from a tractor experience. Had a very nice time.
It was amazing.
Listen, I think Karni, who owns this place, needs his own podcast to talk about like sustainability and all these lovely stories of life on the farm. It's just like I can listen to him for hours. कैसा लगा आपको ट्रैक्टर का सफर?
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा.
पहली बार था?
पहली बार किया और मजा ही आ गया एकदम.
हाँ, मुझे भी लग रहा है कि I am now. Oh look, the horses! Oh my God, horses are here, yaar. There are horses, guys. This is like, I spotted some horses. Oh my God, these gorgeous horses. Are you going to introduce us to them?
Are you seriously gonna try my food here? Huh?
Hello, Mr. Horse. Say namaste, Mr. Horse.
क्या देखना चाहते? निशानी नहीं. कुछ भी मान गया ना, हर जगह तू खाएगा. ऐसे नहीं है.
What are they eating? Chapati? What is that?
Jaggery. The golden statues, but people started to take away their legs, toes, nails, so they have completely put them into restoration. In no place in Jaipur or Rajasthan where you find this architecture. This is not North India, this is South India architecture. Amazing. One piece. There is no division, no crack, no joint, nothing. One piece carved and made through.
हाँ, और ये सब ये मार्बल पत्थरों में बनी हुई है, कलर करने से बिगड़ गई घोड़ियाँ, ये बहुत सुंदर सुंदर बनी हुई, दिखती नहीं कारीगरी।
These are all horse. They're designed in a
ये 3 भगवान है, 3 से 4 या 5 प्रतिमा करते हैं तो ये गिर जाती है अपने आप। ये 3 भगवान से ज्यादा नहीं होती है।
They tried to put a statue here and it falls down every time.
So the add-on one for
It breaks. Singh.
हाँ, हाँ,
राजा मान सिंह।
हाँ।
आगे क्या है? राजा बताते हैं
वो
क्या?
राज्य पर्वत है, राज्य पर्वत है,
हाँ।
मतलब राजा राज्य पर्वत मान सिंह ऐसा है।
I'm just walking here along the walls of the Jain Mandir in Muzamabad, and I couldn't really talk inside the temple because it's such a peaceful, beautiful place. So I showed you the footage just now. So this is one of the most ancient temples here in this region, and it has some of the oldest Mahavir statues in this country. So this temple, let me just show you. Really stunning, and was built at the time of Raja Man Singh, and a lot of the cave area, those gufas that I showed you, were built underground to protect some of these idols from the Mughal rulers who would come and destroy the temples. Because of the lockdown, it's closed, but we managed to get the Panditji to open it up and show it to us, and some of the parts were just so beautiful inside. It's like some of these statues were dating back to like thousands of years, and this is the view. It's actually the most spectacular thing I've ever seen. I felt really beautiful being inside the temple. It was really an amazing experience in the middle of this village. So you've got this, that's a good thing about India, you know, you've got these treasures, century-old treasures right here in the middle of nowhere, in this little village just an hour outside Jaipur, and there's so much for us to discover. Just in the middle of the village we found this beautiful chhatri that is dedicated to Raja Man Singh's mother. Love the little detailing on this. So that's where Raja Man Singh's mother is said to have committed sati.
There's always a tunnel. That's the story.
Look at the details here.
And our house is right there. Right up. We can even see it.
Now it's tea time, and we are having tea time with Sahiba and Oindrilla.
We are planning, yeah. And we keep on pushing out a lot of sustainable properties.
The most amazing.
And now because I know that he's like super
This
good
is the most amazing tea party that I'm having with Oindrilla. Oindrilla, say hi to everyone on the day 2 vlog. Sahiba, of course, you guys know already. What a stunning setting. End of the day. Hanging out on the swing with Oindrilla, who is freezing. And Sahiba, who is taking faida of the fire. And this is a good life, huh? On a Saturday night. And now we're...
Slow
What's
life.
for dinner?
Lal mas.
Lal mas.
Lal mas.
Let's go eat some lal mas. Okay, after waiting for 2 days, we are finally here eating the lal mas. Come on, let's sit down. Biscuit.
You sit down, guys. मैं serve कर रहा हूँ.
So guys, it's finally the end of the day and I'm curling into bed because It's 1 in the morning and we have literally sat, like Oindrila Saiba and myself, we have literally sat outside and chilled from like 7 in the evening to 1 in the morning. Just sat and chilled. Where do I ever get a chance to do that in Bombay? Like, had about 500 cups of tea, then we were just chilling. We walked around, then we sat in my room, we sat in Oindrila's room by the heater, we were completely frozen. Then we had some lovely Lal Mas dinner. But I'm back to my room feeling so firstly sleepy. I'm not as tired as I was yesterday because today was a very relaxed day and I slept well last night. What a day it's been. Like, I mean, for me, this has been a day where I've just been enjoying farm life, and that's exactly the mission of being here, is to enjoy this kind of farm life and the slow living, just sitting around and doing nothing. As you can see, I don't have to dress up. I've not got my hair is not done. I can't be bothered to do anything. Oh, what a nice. I think the highlights of my day was the tractor ride, the visit to the temple, and of course sitting on the tree house and having my cup of chai. Like, I mean, I've been so happy to just like enjoy this space. I tell you, definitely would recommend for you guys to come here to Shivgar Sustainable Living. This farm stay is really gorgeous. As I mentioned, the highlights of my day were like very filmy style, riding on the tractor with Karni, the owner, who's a complete rock star, and then, you know, just general experiences like playing with the dog, seeing the horses, or seeing the guys like picking the vegetables for dinner and eating the lal mas, though they picked the vegetables, and you know, walking around the lake. I think it's just gorgeous. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna say good night to all of you because tomorrow's a day when I'm going to Jaipur. I'm going back to Jaipur. I have to leave this place, unfortunately. Good night to everyone. Thank you for watching this day 2 vlog. I think I'm doing pretty okay with the daily vlogging, and I genuinely hope that I can keep up with it over the next couple of days. So I'm downloading all this feedback, all this footage, and then sending across. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and leave me a comment because I'm going to respond to each and every one of you. You guys know how much I love responding to your comments individually. So please leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And of course, subscribe to the page because you're going to get all these fun vlogs from all over. Details on this place that I'm staying in are in the descriptor. So till tomorrow, good night.